If you're wanting to customize listing creation forms in your platform with Tangram, the way that you would do that is you'd create the field in the fields table within the admin account and then connect it to the listing type that you want the field to show up on in the form. For instance, if I wanted to add a category dropdown field to this listing creation form, I would go to the fields table. I'd check if I already have that field created, and if not, I'd create a new one. And then it looks like I already have a category field connected to service providers when they sign up. So I could just connect that as well to the listings or like service listing type. When users create listings of this type, I want them to fill out the category. When I'm creating a listing, I want category to be filled out, and I'm going to make it an optional field. I won't check this box, and I'll hit create connection. What that just did is if we go to edit any of our listings, we will now see that field that we just connected to this form. And if we're viewing the edit page as an admin, we can change the order by dragging and dropping the fields or edit the label of the field. Like instead of category, I could say, please enter or select all categories that apply. If I did that and hit save, it would change the label of the category field as displayed to service providers when they're filling out this service listing to this. Or I could add helper text, which will show up in a little question mark next to the label. And there's a couple other settings in this modal depending on what field type you're editing. If you wanted to change the placeholder text of this meeting link field, you could say, for example, https://meet.google.com/blah, blah, blah, just to make it clear to the user what to fill out there.